Hello everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Today is Saturday, it's weekend and the only day I get to wake up after a proper night's sleep. I'm not a morning person, never have been. I am a big sleepyhead and everyone who knows me, my loved ones, they know this very well. But after becoming mom and moving to Riyadh, I don't have a choice. School, office, everything starts very early here. So I have to wake up 5 in the morning and then I don't get time to sleep again. So on weekends, nobody is allowed to wake me up. I wake up around 9 or 10 on weekend. Even if my family wakes up before me, thankfully they don't wake me up and let me have a proper rest. So it's 10 now and I'm making a quick yet special weekend breakfast. Here I am making a quick burger. I'm using this ready burger buns and I'm toasting them a little on one side. Next I'm using air fryer to fry this chicken pieces. Let's assemble, first adding this burger sauce. I made this burger sauce by mixing 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise with 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup and then 1 tablespoon of chili sauce, half teaspoon of pepper and half teaspoon of salt. Adding fried boneless chicken pieces. Next, raw onion slice. You can also add lettuce but I don't have it right now. Lastly, a slice of cheese. Our quick burger is ready. It tastes yum. My son doesn't like burger. He wanted to have cereal, so cereal it is for him. Then I had a makeup client come over at my place. It is Navratri today and she wanted a Navratri party look. I am a certified makeup artist. I was freelancing back in India. But after moving to Riyadh, I'm not seriously into it because it's just been a year and I'm still understanding how things work here. But if I do get orders through friends or neighbors through word of mouth, I do take it. Once I was done with the work today, I had also promised Shehzad to take him to his favorite place in Riyadh, that is an indoor playground. And my baby is patiently waiting from a long time. It's already very late, so I'm quickly getting ready here. My room is all messy now, but I don't have time to clean it up. I might do it after I come back home or tomorrow. Denims are so in right now. I purchased this denim maxi dress from Trendyol. I have paired it with dark blue hijab and golden heels and golden jewelry, and for the handbag I'm carrying my LV bag. Thankfully with Shehzad grown up, I don't have to carry a lot of things in my bag now, and we are going out just for a few hours, so I'm keeping it very light. I just kept my wallet, compact, lipstick, sunglasses, a pack of tissue, and I'm done. This is a street cat. It used to come often and sit on our steps outside home. Few times we gave her food. Since then, she visits every morning and evening and demands us to give her food. Before, she used to drink milk. Once or twice, my husband gave her cat food. Since then, she only wants cat food. We have reached mall. This mall is inside Kingdom Tower. This mall mostly has all the luxury brands and mid-luxury brand stores. The stores of this mall are treat to the eyes. You shop or not, but just looking at these beautiful pieces, the bags, the shoes, the outfits, it feels like therapy to me. And today I understood one thing. Burgundy fever is a real for this season. Every single luxury and mid-luxury store is filled with burgundy color. From outfits to bags to shoes, there was burgundy everywhere. A quick full outfit check for you all. We are here at this indoor playground. Look at Shehzad's excitement. He absolutely loves this place. This playground is in ground floor of Kingdom Center. Price is 100 Riyal and there is no time limit. Kids can stay even for the full day. I have tried many indoor playgrounds in Riyadh, and for kids of age group as my son, like say from 2 to 8 years, I found this playground to be the best. Other playgrounds have trampolines, climbing, jumping, all those stuff, which is good for a little older kids. But for younger kids, this particular playground has many different activities that they enjoy, and also this place is safer. This is the only place where I'm fine leaving Shehzad alone inside and going out for having a little me time. In rest all other playgrounds, I stay with him inside. The staff inside are very friendly and they look after kids very well. So you can see there are various different sections and activities for kids. This one is small bicycle track. You already saw ball pit and sand play. That's football ground. This is a tiny kitchen. Isn't it so cute? This is a block section. I find this really cool. So yeah, now I leave Shehzad here to have fun and I'm going out. Right next to playground there is food court. So this is where we often relax and wait for Shehzad. It's 9 a.m. and many of the stores are already closed. Let's see what I can find. There are good Afghani cuisine, Chinese cuisine food stores here, but unfortunately they are closed and the stores which are open are all on the boycott list, so we decided not to eat anything. This is an outdoor seating space near food court. It has a nice view, so we are just relaxing here. In Saudi, you find cats everywhere. I have never seen a single dog on streets here, but every street has bunch of cats running around. I had a nice time watching these cuties play around. Came back to take Shehzad, and yeah, they do give a gift to every kid while leaving. This is the gift Shehzad got. Shehzad wanted to have a donut, and by this time even I was feeling hungry, so we both took a donut. Washroom in the malls are great because they have great lighting and a clean mirror. I actually came to washroom to take a full outfit pic, but sadly there was no full length mirror in this washroom. So I just did a little touch up and then I left. Whenever I wear heels, I always carry a spare flats with me to change when my feet starts paining. So that's what I'm doing now. This mall is at a walkable distance from our home, so we decided to walk back home because I love night walks. The way back home from here is actually very nice. Half of the way you can see beautiful city lights. Rest half of the way is very nice and calm. We really do enjoy this walk, so every time we visit this mall, we always walk back home. We all are very tired and I'm sure as soon as we reach home, we'll go straight to bed. So I'll end today's vlog here. Hope you all liked this video. If yes, then please do show me your love and support by liking this video and subscribing to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.